Oh, this is worth it. Help! I can't climb up.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So yeah, we are in the Whiteshell area just to check out more of what the Whiteshell has to offer. Today we're checking out Rainbow Falls, and there should actually hopefully be water this time. Well, at least we probably won't die this time, unlike last time in the desert. That was just death.
Yeah, I'm still pulling out sand from my pockets.
Yeah. I wonder if we'll see any frogs this time around, so Skylar can get his frog action. All these rock formations here, I guess people are just practicing their rock balancing. It's dark in here, guys.
Flippity 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 flappity flappity flippity.
But I have exposed for the light and not the shadows. There we go. There's that beautiful light we want.
The water.
He sees the water.
Let's go.
The specimen. He's excited.
This is it.
Here he goes.
Oh, this is worth it.
Skylar's. I'm ready.
Help! I can't climb up.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No, I'm falling more.
Okay. I gotta help Skylar, guys. Oh my god.
Shit. Why did you do that? I don't know. Pull me. I'm falling more. Why did you do that? Want me to give you a push? Yeah. Please.
Okay, so Skylar's like, I'm gonna slide in because
It really does.
because I'm cool guy. I'm just gonna slide in, and he's like, I need help. Now this guy's gonna come and push him because I can't do it.
What's your name?
Norm.
Hi, Norm.
And I'll grab. Oh my god, you! Oh my god! I can't believe that just happened.
Yeah, let's sit down.
you need a minute. Alright, so I'm gonna attempt to get across that with the Ronin, and Skylar is gonna help me. I got my shoes tied around my bag here. I got everything strapped to me. And I'm gonna go barefoot. Hopefully I make it across and not die. You ready?
I'll say good luck.
I'm not really ready, but let's go. It's gonna be documented, the whole thing. So if I die, you'll see it.
Just don't look down.
Just don't look down. He's got my hand, guys. How beautiful. Oh my god. Swear to God, if anything touches my feet, I'm done. Alright, so good question. Why do we come out here, or why do we go on these adventures? Honestly, and as of always, Skylar, do you want to do the honors?
Yeah, actually, do yourself a favor and unsubscribe. Take YouTube, delete it. Get off that couch, eat those potato chips, and get out there. Do something with your life, because you can do it!